You're ashamed of your husband!
Shame on you, rubbish talk.
Hey guys, so today's video, it's something that happened to me, actually something that I did. I kind of went and ran my mouth. One of the YouTubers that I follow, it's Alex Clark, and you know, I put a comment on his channel thinking that I wasn't gonna get a response, and it came back and bit me in the butt. So anybody that knows me knows that I love pizza, and I love pizza so much that I eat it basically once a week, sometimes twice, and they know that I hunt pizza down. You know, really good pizza usually gets to me. So I ran my mouth on this pizza challenge that I saw it's Alex Clark do, and he challenged me back. I accepted. Hi, do you guys have any 16-inch pizzas? Or 18-inch pizzas? Okay, let me get an 18 with ham, please. Alex, picking up. Seriously, you guys, if you ever find yourself in Southeast Florida by Hollywood Beach, find this place, Mauro's Pizza. Cash only, by the way. And do yourself a favor. The smell in the car is driving me nuts. I think I shot myself in the foot by doing this challenge. And we'll see what happens when I get home. It's good, guys. I'm telling you, it's really good. So that looks so yummy, you guys. 18 inches. Hopefully I'll be free. It's not the first time I do a pizza challenge. I really thought the crust was going to be thinner. Ow. Ooh. See me? Hey, seriously, you guys, look at the thickness on the crust. It's like a 1/4 inch. Around my mouth. Failed. Quit at 12:36.
Oh God! I'm sorry, you guys. I had to throw in the towel, wave the white flag. I gave up. I couldn't handle it. It was too much. Oh my God! My belly feels like if it's about to burst. My hat's off to you, Mr. Alex Clark.
18 inches. To my defense, that crust was a 1/4 inch thick. Normally when I order the 26-inch pizza that they sell there, it's really, really thin. So,
I'm sorry. I failed. I didn't mean to. I'm ashamed of myself now. Leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe, and thank you. Don't share it. I mean, share it. Do share it. Share my shame. Share my shame.